Hi, Shelby. How you doing? I got your work up. I got your ideas for your Zine Fest. And I think it's a good idea. I think Zine Fest poster is a good. It'll be a lot of fun because, as we know, zines are such a contemporary and fresh uh, mode of graphic design and design in general that it's kind of wide open. So I think it's fun. It'll be a lot of fun. Anything goes here, right? So as we can see right here, I think this is just kind of a cool idea using houseplants as an idea. But I think we get kind of caught up here because we're missing some opportunity here. And I think one thing I would highly recommend is that we go back and take a closer look at the project specs here. Mainly because this assignment, and whenever you're caught up, just start reading the project specs. It's really super important that you follow these verbatim. And it's so important that typically each week I go ahead and I do a video right over here in the, I'm going to bring this down here so you can see it, but right there, that, when you click that, that'll take you to your video or your announcements. You go right to your announcements, and over here you can see that every week I include announcements. Here's welcome to week 2. I haven't done the video for that yet. I'll do that tonight. But here's my welcome to week 1. And I describe this assignment in this welcome to week 1 video. And I describe all the assignments to kind of give you some forewarning for speed bumps and obstacles that might, potentially happen throughout the process. So try to, keep an eye on those. Keep your finger on the pulse there, because that certainly is a great way to circumvent any issues that might occur in the submission of your work. So one of the reasons I bring that up is because right over here, where was it? That was messages. I want to go back here, and I just want to go back to the assignment specifications right here. And I'm just over here right in week 1, project 1, poster begin. And I just want to show you that this first stage of the process, and this is described in the video, but research and learn about the topic you want to use by conducting an internet search collecting examples of the poster art form. Basically, that's just saying research the history of posters. Once you have completed your research, decide upon 3 different topics you want, and you write about the purpose of each one for your poster. So we don't have that. We have one topic, and you've just given this like little 1-sentence kind of introduction. As an art director, I would say this. I would say, okay, we need 3 different ideas, 3 totally different ideas, not 3 separate ideas for the Zine Fest, but 3 completely different ideas all together. All right, and then for each of those 3 ideas, what you'll do is give a sketch and a detailed description of that sketch. And in that detailed description, I would recommend that you concentrate on the illustration itself and the communication, the effective communication of the illustration. Does it communicate effectively in terms of the objective of your concept and your message? How does the illustration relate to your concept? Of course, that's intuitive. And then what is your reasoning behind the illustration? And that's the main thing that I think we're missing here, is that you haven't described any of these. For example, what is your relationship, your conceptual relationship between the houseplants and the Denver Zine Fest? So what's your concept behind this? Again, here, what's your concept behind the snow globe and the posters taped on the wall? What's your concept there? These are things that an art director would want to know moving forward. So food for thought there. So what I would like you to do is I'd like you to, for Sunday night submission, I'd like you to go ahead and give us 3, well, I shouldn't say give us, but you can post back into this critique board if you'd like. But for your submission, for your final submission for the first part of the poster project, I need to see 3 different ideas. So if you could get 3 different sketches together for 3 different ideas, and also describe those ideas as I described a little bit earlier. And I think that would really bring us to the point where we're meeting all the objectives of the assignment itself, including the sketches and the concept development and your communication of that particular concept to your audience, which is us right now. Okay, so if you have any questions or comments, that's what I'd like to see. I'd like to see your 3 separate ideas. And then if you have any questions or comments, I'm online all night, so I should be able to get to you within pretty much immediately. But other than that, like I said, for tonight's submission, I'd like to see 3 separate and 3 different yet separate and clear ideas. All right. Thank you very much.